Right, I'm after purchasing one of these Hcalory suitcase or toolbox type heater. So we'll have a look and see what it's like. Yeah, there she is. Where's the diesel tank? I thought there was a small diesel tank. This is very light. Where's the exhaust? What's going on here? What? What? Where's all the gizmos? Anyway, what this is a skeleton case. There's not much room here now. When I was looking at their website, I noticed they had this empty case that you could purchase, and it's probably, I've read about a few people that have received them with cracked cases and stuff like that, so I take it you can purchase the skeleton case and put all your bits into it. So I have purchased one of these, and it's in operation at the moment, keeping the front room warm. But when I came across it, I said for $59. Previously, for the last few years, I've been using the All-in-One, you know, with the red tin can job, but with the exhaust coming out the bottom and having to mount it, and a bit of a pain really every year setting it up outside. So I've decided to how much room here now? I have decided to put all the parts from it into this case, and I have a standby then if there's any problem with the other one during the heating season. The only thing I've really had to purchase extra is the that marine bulkhead exhaust flange adapter. The one advantage this has now against going away and just buying what do they call them, pelican cases or whatever, is that it already has the adapter here for the air intake. It has the stub here to take the combustion pipe. It has the connector there to take the fuel. So there's quite a bit, and it has the vent grids. So like if we were to go away and get these adapter plates for both ends, put ventilation plates in, and that, you know, it would come up a lot more than $59. So that's it. I'm going to mount everything in there. Alright, it doesn't come with the stainless steel, the heavy duty bracket, and I noticed that on the other one is supported down here as well, so I'll have to make up some system. I might even be able to use the base of the 3-in-1, just modify it to hold the whole thing. But I think it's a nice little exercise, and I'll put the marine exhaust connector there, so I don't see why not. It should be I'd say it's a cheaper way of assembling, and the case is quite solid, I think. I won't be baiting it around the place. I think it's quite solid. No issue with the other one so far, even though I probably have to have a full heating season. So that's what I've done. You know, I've gone away and purchased the skeleton Hcalory case for $59 delivered.